What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, to another day trade recap. Before going into the recap, just want to mention that if you enjoy this kind of recaps, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more content to come and to help the channel to grow. It seems like that. We are into we are in a plateau here with just 13 subscribers, so I would really appreciate if this channel will continue to grow for the way that I believe I'm keeping it real, I would say. So before further to without further to do, sorry, I'll let's go back into the recap. This morning I traded NIO, AMD, Netflix, TSLA, and MRNA. And as you can see here, um, one of my rule was breached really because I had four red trades, four red trades, when in reality I one of my rule is to stop trading after three red trade. But let's go in depth. Let's go to see what really happened today. So the first the first trade was in mRNA. mRNA, it was having a nice buy set up on the 1 minute chart, with risking essentially the low of this candle, the loss of the wave up, and long the 152 area, which actually I was looking, for a kind of a continuation on display. We barely touched the 153 area, which was my partial, and I didn't had the chance to really take the partial this on this candle um, for the for how much the spread was in the morning. So with bid we never reached the 153, so I wasn't able to take my first partial here. Instead, a minute later we ran into my stop loss. Stop loss that I was having a hard stop loss, and just imagine how was the slippage this morning on this one, 40 cents at the time. So tried to enter at 152, got filled, and 152.45, hard stop at 151, but really got filled at 150.60, losing more than what I wanted really to lose and what I calculated for these trades, losing $92 versus the $50 that I was planning, and this kind of affected me this trade essentially. I mean, I was really I was really one trade, one losing trade away from closing this day, as my maximum loss was is $150 for the day. The second trade came. Second trade was NIO, and essentially was another losing trade. NIO. We shorted the break of the 17 on this nice formation, risking the high of the day, and then also the test of the high of the day, which was rejected, 17.2. Good enough, although I was with the 200 shares. I was risking essentially 15 cents, which kept me still into the game after this losing trade. Third trade was in AMD, and finally we got a winning trade on this one. AMD essentially almost having the same formation that I was having with NIO, waited for a pullback towards the whip up, which was rejected. 97.3 became my stop loss. Shorted the breakdown under the 96.13 area. Really got filled on the on the penny here, 96.13. First partial was 95.11, took 95.11, 95.13, took the first partial here, tried to have a second partial or to reduce my share at 94 66 towards this on this pullback, but in the end I ended up to five finger and to add to my position 12 shares. 12 shares, decided to move my stop loss at break even, which was never reached, luckily. Took some another partial here around 94 area, and really let the rest of the shares run with then stop loss to 93, which was essentially hit here, and I was out of the game. Luckily, AMD let me recover some. But then we had Netflix and Tesla. Netflix, after the trade in Netflix, I should have really called the day. Somehow I was frustrated on this trade. And reason I was frustrated on this trade is that tried to short the 194. 194 got filled at 193.76. Soon realized that I was with 50 shares and risking essentially $2 on this trade. So risking more than my one risk unit. So decided really to move my stop loss to 195 area after I did see this pullback towards the 195, and then the drop here. So decided to move my stop loss from 195.60 to 60 to 195, which essentially was a hit, and then the stock went towards my profit target and more. Really unfortunate trade, I would say. My error here is that I have moved my stop loss. What I could have done when I realized that I was with the more than I should. Either I should have risked the two risk unit for having the two risk unit, so be aggressive on this trade, or just reducing my risk somewhere here and let the rest do whatever they wanna do. After this trade, I should have stopped, as I was already on my third red trade, and this would have saved me the $42 loss in Tesla, and perhaps made my day a bit more manageable on the loss side, since we have essentially done the Monday winning trade with let me see here precisely. Monday with a winning trade of 164.70, and Tuesday, although I have not done the recap, and I apologize for that if you guys were looking for my recap, with a win of just 29.83. So that would have been a good stopping point today, essentially just losing half of what I had done in these 2 days between Monday and Tuesday. Um, but yeah, Tesla came. I like the setup there. I was looking to the break of the 895 area, which essentially happens. I did the handle here on the break of the 895. Got a really good field on that. Was risking the 899 area just above of this candle, giving actually a bit of leeway as well. I mean when the this is 898.65, really risking 899. 899 that unfortunately was hit by this candle. Before then, of course, the stock would essentially run towards my profit target. Um, Probably I could have entered again the trade and this time, but then I would have the again I would have not followed my rules once more. So I decided to give it close the day for today, and tomorrow it's another day essentially. Still little green into the month, although I gave back the Monday profits, so hoping for a better market tomorrow and better trades. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Give me a like again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, but also let me know into the comment section what kind of video you guys would like for me to do. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.